Foods that keep you from losing weight. Hello, dear viewers, have you been trying to get in shape? If your daily visits to the gym aren't getting you the results you want, it's probably because of your diet. Today, let's talk about some foods that could be preventing you from losing weight. Alcohol. Yes, you really need to limit your alcohol intake. Since the pandemic, alcohol consumption has increased by over 25% in adults between the ages of 35 and 54. Heavy drinking is linked to weight gain because alcohol, especially beer, contains a lot of empty calories. 1 gram of alcohol has about 7 calories. Try to reduce your alcohol intake or switch to wine, as moderate amounts of wine can have less of an impact on weight. Pizza. Sure, pizza is delicious and comforting, but it won't help you lose weight. A medium slice of Domino's pizza has an average of 215 calories. If you eat several slices, you'll quickly consume over 1,000 calories. In addition, pizza is high in sodium and carbohydrates with little fiber. Try to limit yourself to 1 or 2 slices. Sugary coffee drinks. Many of us can't function without our morning coffee, but sugary coffees can cause weight gain. Artificial cream and sugar in your coffee contain empty calories. Drink your coffee black without cream and sugar to save your waistline. Soda pop. Not only can drinking soda pop cause weight gain, it can also increase your risk of heart disease and diabetes. An average can of Coca-Cola has about 100 calories and 27 grams of sugar. Lemonade provides no vitamins or minerals, and your brain doesn't register the calories as solid food, causing you to eat more. Fruit juice. Store-bought fruit juice is often high in sugar and additives and has little to do with real fruit. Fruit juice can contain more sugar than soda. Eat whole fruit instead to lose weight. White bread. White bread contains lots of added sugars and can raise blood sugar levels. A 2014 study showed that people who eat 2 slices of white bread a day have a 40% increase in obesity. Choose wholemeal bread without additives instead. Sweets and chocolate. Sweets are easily accessible and often too small to feel full. An average chocolate bar has 200 to 300 calories and few nutrients. Reduce your consumption of sweets and choose fruit instead. French fries. French fries are high in calories and contain a lot of fat and sodium. A medium serving of McDonald's fries has about 350 calories. Consider choosing a salad instead of fries the next time you eat fast food. Chips. Crisps have been linked to obesity and an increased risk of cancer. Try eating potatoes cooked instead of snacking on crisps. Your diet is crucial when it comes to losing weight. Reduce your consumption of these foods and focus on a healthier diet. Let us know which foods you would like to reduce after watching this video. Check out our other videos to learn more about nutritious foods you should eat every day and healthy foods you can never eat too much of. Stay tuned and get in shape with a better diet.